I want you to ask yourself, would you rather save money each month or have more space and privacy? Today, we're touring two very different one-bedroom apartments in the Yoo building in Panama City. While they both share the same luxury amenities, they offer two different living experiences. One apartment is smaller and more affordable, while the other one offers more space, a different layout, and a different overall feel. But choosing between them isn't just about the monthly rent, it's about how you actually plan to live and occupy the space. As we tour each apartment, think about which one best fits your lifestyle. Are you working remotely, retiring in Panama, looking for an investment property, or simply searching for a comfortable place to call home? Please note that neither of these apartments are currently available. The purpose of this video isn't to sell you these specific units, but to help you understand the different layouts, features, and lifestyle options you may find in the Yoo building. Now, let's check out the first condo. As soon as you enter this unit, where they were asking for $1,650 per month, you can see that the kitchen, dining room, and living room are all in one space. To the left of the front door, you have the kitchen area. It has a gas stove, a deep sink, a small amount of counter space, and a decent amount of cabinets. Pay attention to the counter space if you love to cook. Next to the kitchen is a laundry room. It has a stacked washer and dryer and the water heater. This area has a splitter unit for the AC and a small workspace, a ceiling fan, and a living room area with enough room for an L-shaped sectional, a coffee table, a chair, a small table, and a small mounted TV and a TV console. The balcony does have a water view, but it's not the full one that you can find in some of the other layouts, which we'll see later on. Heading into the bedroom, it has enough room for a king-size bed, 2 nightstands, a floor lamp, and a TV console with the TV on it. The closets are in the entrance to the bedroom, and there's a linen closet next to the bathroom. This apartment has one bathroom with a sink, vanity, and the shower. For this unit, where they were asking for $2,000 per month, we're starting in the bedroom and the bathroom area. Right away, you can tell this is a much larger one bedroom than the previous unit. It has a small walk-in closet with shelves and a small dresser. Next is the bathroom. It has 2 sinks, storage space underneath them, the shower, and the vent fan. They have another dresser in this area and added a door with a mirror to separate this space from the bedroom. The bedroom has enough room for a king-size bed, 2 nightstands, and an office space by the balcony, which can also be accessed from the living room. This bedroom has a splitter unit for the AC. It has unobstructed views of the bay, which you can also see from the living room. The living room has an L-shaped sectional, a wall-mounted TV, and a console. It has a splitter unit above the dining room area, plenty of counter space, and a half bathroom which I didn't get a chance to enter, but here are some photos from another unit in the same line to give you ideas of the bathroom and the kitchen, and the entire space when it's fully furnished. The kitchen has a good amount of counter space, and there's a stacked washer and dryer behind the front door. Now that you've seen both apartments side by side, the decision really comes down to your lifestyle. Let's discuss who I think each apartment is best suited for as we take a look at the building's amenities. If you're single, spend most of your time out exploring Panama, travel frequently, or if you're looking for an investment property, Apartment 1 may be the better fit. It's the more affordable option out of the two. And if you're primarily looking for a comfortable place to call home at the end of the day, you may not need the extra space. Since the U is also one of the few luxury buildings in Panama City that allows Airbnb, Apartment 1 could be especially appealing to investors looking for short-term rental opportunities. Although this unit was not for sale, it gives you an idea of the possibilities. The second apartment, on the other hand, may be worth the additional monthly cost of $350 if you work remotely, spend more time at home, or simply value having extra living space and privacy. It also may be a better fit for a couple who wants a little more room to spread out without moving up to a 2-bedroom apartment. If this space is going to be where you spend much of your day, that additional space may be worth it. The good news is, whichever apartment you choose, you'll still enjoy the same luxury amenities, the same prime location, and the same you lifestyle. Whether you're retiring, working remotely, investing, or just starting a new chapter in Panama, the right apartment depends on your priorities. So, if you were making the decision, which apartment would you choose? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear which one best fits your lifestyle. Now, the floor plan is only part of the decision. The building you live in matters too, so let's take a look at what the U has to offer. Located on Avenida Balboa, one of Panama City's most recognizable waterfront boulevards, the U is located 2 buildings down from the Hilton. It's known for its bold, eclectic interior design. From the moment you walk into either of its 2 lobbies, you'll notice that this isn't your typical condominium building. The colorful artwork, unique furniture, and dramatic design elements give it a personality all of its own. One of the things I like most about the U is its convenience. The building is home to 3 popular restaurants, Azahar, Filomena, and Blame It on Kiki, so you have several dining options just an elevator ride away. Directly behind the building is a foodie grocery store, making it easy to pick up groceries or other everyday essentials without needing to drive across town. And if you've watched my channel for a while, you already know one of my favorite fondas is just around the corner, making it easy to grab an inexpensive local meal. The U is also walking distance from the Cinta Costera, giving residents an easy access to miles of waterfront paths for walking, running, or simply enjoying the views of Panama Bay. Restaurants, cafes, pharmacies, banks, and shopping are all nearby, making it possible to accomplish many daily errands on foot. Whether you're considering the U as your full-time home, a part-time residence, or an investment property, its location and amenities continue to make it one of the more recognizable luxury buildings on Avenida Balboa. I want to give a special shout out to the channel members for your continued support. It means more than you know. Gracias! I also want to give a shout out to those who have donated via Buy Me a Coffee, aka Mojito, PayPal, along with everyone who has given super thanks, super chats, commented, shared, liked, and given video hypes. If you enjoy this type of content, watch this one up next. And remember, the world is yours. You just have to find your place in it.